Pagi. Good morning, people. We go diving. Decided to dive early and we'll do really long drift or swim, whatever it will be. It really depends on the currents. We will start in a Bunutan, we'll finish in a parking place in a Lipa beach. We decided to do it early because guys have to go back. They have to be back home pretty early. At the moment it's 6:45. All the equipment prepared and we're ready to go. See you on the water. Usually in August we have Jukung race here around Bali, but last year it was cancelled, of course. This year it's cancelled because cannot be more than 25 people or how many people in a group, in one group. So everything is cancelled. Then there was also, after the normal or usual size Jukung race, there was also mini Jukung races for kids. Even adults do it, but again, everything is cancelled. So many different traditions are simply cancelled without really clear understanding why we actually all doing this one. When we can see things going on usual way, that's the most important. We did only one dive, but really long way, around 80 plus minutes or 80, from Bunutan all the way to the Lipa Beach parking place, which is pretty long distance actually, if you ever been here in Amed or been diving in Amed. Beautiful coral reef, maximum depth 30 meters. Shallow part is still a little bit murky just because of these big waves. The waves are down, as you can see now, so in a couple of days will be perfect visibility. Everyone had 2 tanks. I just wanted to make sure that everybody is reaching the parking place in Lipa Beach, because they don't even have 30 dives yet. But you know, it is a challenge, especially if you're diving that deep as we did, 30 meters, and there was a down and up going current. There was really mild and slow current going towards Lipa Beach. It a little bit helped, but it wasn't like riding underwater scooter, right? So I wanted to make sure everyone is reaching that, so that's why everyone had 2 tanks. So yeah, when we came out, the porters in Lipa Beach was like surprised. Everybody's coming out and they were like counting tanks, how many tanks we have. 4 people and 7 tanks. I dove with only 1 tank, and that was our day. Laura and Anna is going for the night dive. I will go home and will edit video. I'm feeling that I have some like my own small diving community, and everyone who is in this community, I know them really well. And I know their character, I know their diving skills, I know what to improve, I know absolutely everything. And that's, I think, for one instructor or one diver, is just simply amazing when you know every single dive buddy in your group. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Tomorrow we'll see you again. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.